Hey guys, how's it going? Today I wanted to talk about something which is really important, and it is something which we all need to fix in our heads. It's the fact that nothing in the world will ever make you feel good or will make you feel that you're making progress if you're busy comparing yourself with others. Now this is something which I can accuse myself of doing sometimes. And if you're busy comparing yourself with others, you'll always have someone who's better than you at something or is making better progress. That's the thing with humans. We are always busy comparing ourselves with others without looking at the bigger picture. And we never find solace in what we are and what we have. And we are ignorant towards the work that needs to be done for our betterment. Instead, we squander our time loathing over someone who's better at something than us or is making better progress. I totally get the fact that all of us sometimes get swindled by bursts of self-doubt and we begin doubting our abilities and we start questioning ourselves. Am I good enough or am I making enough progress? But in this case, what matters the most is how you and I deal with that feeling of self-doubt. Whether we let go of it or we clutch onto it, which could turn up to something much worse, insecurity. If you ever find yourself getting all negative, comparing yourself with others, keep this in mind. Maybe the person you're comparing yourself with has worked twice as hard as you. You never know. Make this a habit to start assuming that people you compare yourself with have worked harder than you. Nothing ever comes free. Draw inspiration, not toxicity. The foremost reason why I think people are so accustomed to comparisons is because we look at the standards set by society, not the standards we set for ourselves. The best way to deal with this, I think, would be to look at yourself as your own competition. Start setting your own standards which you think are right for you, and start working effortlessly to overcome your limits and shortcomings. Try to become the best possible version of yourself each day. Because truth be told, the greatest people we've ever had are the ones who look at themselves as their own competition. They are the ones who excel. Well, gratitude in this case can certainly help as well. Whenever you find yourself comparing yourself with others and breaking your head over someone else who's better than you, think about all those people who fall behind you. Be grateful and get back to work. Remember, life is not a rat race that you end up sabotaging yourself trying to reach the standards set by society or by others. Your life should be predicated on the standards you set for yourself. And as of those people, they have their own lives to live. Start respecting the fact that people who are ahead of you are so because of their relentless hard work and conviction. You can't just judge a person without seeing the entire picture. Start respecting the people behind you as well, because inspiration comes from respect and compassion. And lastly, make sure that you are trying to become the best possible version of yourself each day and are constantly improving. These are ideas and thoughts which have personally helped me deal with occasional wounds of self-doubt and toxicity. And lastly, in conclusion guys, just believe in your abilities and you'll surely reach the place you desire to be in. Life is just too short to be living by the standards set by others. Just stop comparing yourself with others and become your own competition. Everyone is born with gifts, and it's our thoughts and actions which shape us. And it is we who decide our future. Take care guys. I'll see you next week.